Hello, everyone. Jordan, CEO and co-founder of Starfish here. Hope you're having a great day. As we have grown Starfish, we are seeing more multi-location businesses, restaurants, retail, small businesses, and more bookkeepers, controllers, advisors with multiple clients come on board. And what that's meant for us is completely revamped user permissions. You can now restrict location, screens, and potentially most importantly, which expense accounts show up for which people. If you only want your GM to see four-wall costs, you can do that. If you only want to see your account manager at your bookkeeping firm, see their clients, you can do that. So what we can do is come in here, go to settings, and you're going to notice a couple different options. Manage roles, manage exclusions, manage privilege, and manage users. Manage users is where you actually go to set up the users. We're going to do that last. First thing we're going to do is go to manage roles. So if I come in here and I go to manage roles and I click on add role and I want to do a general manager role, for example. And I want the general manager to see my dashboard, budget, benchmark, cost. Don't need to compare location side by side. Tasks are okay. And then I want them to see comparison over time. And we'll save that, for example. And if you want to come back anytime, you can edit this. Now, the whole beauty behind setting up a role like general manager is you're not defining this for each individual user. If you want to set up all of your GMs, you now have the role defined. If you want to set up all of your account managers at your bookkeeping operation, you can set up one role as account manager, define what they have access to, and then assign that to all the users. If I come in here and I go settings, manage privilege, we can actually define which locations people should have access to. So if I want to set a new one up called college, I can set up college here and go right from here. Now, this specific client has each location as an integration, but perhaps you have one integration with multiple locations, you can do that right from here. So if you have a client that has 5 retail outlets, but one QuickBooks Online account, you don't have to assign the whole integration. You can actually assign specific locations as well. Okay, next up, we're going to go to Settings, Manage Exclusions. And under Exclusions, we can either add an existing exclusion or edit. So let's add an exclusion. Again, maybe we name it College GM, exclude integration, do exclude accounts, and from here we see the whole chart of accounts. And of course you can search. So let's say you don't want them seeing management fees. You exclude management fees. Let's see, you don't want them seeing corporate labor. You exclude corporate labor. And you can just scroll down the list or search whatever is easier, and you can exclude what you no longer want them to see. This is really powerful. So now you can fully customize what you want each person on your team, each of your clients to see or not see. Okay, now what we can do is actually set up a new user here or edit a user. So if I want to come in here and I want to add a user, I can put in a first name. I can do an email address. And look at this, I can start assigning my role. Remember, we have all these different roles we just set up, my privilege, my exclusion list, and I can set the password. Or if you want to just edit an existing user, you can just do all that right from here. This is amazing functionality in Starfish that you can make sure that each person only has access to and sees what you need. Financial controls at your fingertips using Starfish. If you have any other questions, please reach out to us, support@usestarfish.com, or you can give us a call anytime. We're here to help. Have a great day.